hands up, hands side, hands down. Sanity, attention, sanity, attention. All of you left turn, hands cover, hands side, hands up, hands side, hands down. Sanity, attention, sanity, attention. Hands cover, hands side, hands up, hands side, hands down. Sanity, attention, sanity, attention. All of you right turn. Hands cobra, hands side, hands up, hands side, hands down. Sanity, attention, sanity, attention. Now all of you breathe harmlessly. Hands cover, hands side, hands up, hands side, hands down. Sanity, attention, sanity, attention. Now let me breathe high school song.
Summer cat.
and Skavra, and side, and sock, and side, hands down. Sanity, attention. Sanity, attention. So I like to call respected speakers to give their speech.
Good morning to you all. It's me Sutisha at the front of me to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of my family. In my family there are 4 members. They are father, mother, brother and me. My father name is Shankar Thakur. My mother name is Neelam Thakur. My brother name is Sudeep Thakur. Thank you. Have a nice day. As you all know, Missy Dasakesi is standing in the front of me deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of the cow. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the organizer who has organized this type of program that helped to increase the confidence level of the student. Now my topic goes like this. The cow is our national animal. It lives and it eat green grass. It gives us milk. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi and very warm good morning to you all, respected vice principals, our teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me Nikki Samananda from grade 8, standing here to share my memorable day of my life. Each and every person have their own memorable day. Some have good memories and some have bad memories. My memorable day was on 1st of Jeshta 2079. It was the time of holidays. It was my birthday. I don't celebrate my birthday because most of the time I spend my birthday alone, but that time I was in my mama house, so there were a lot of people. There were my relatives. The day before my birthday, I invited all of my relatives to come to my birthday party. At my birthday, I was very happy. I enjoyed a lot. After a long time, I celebrated my birthday with so many people. It was a memorable day which I won't forget in my entire life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Vice Principal Sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. I am here to share the happiest moment of my life is when I domesticated a street dog. And that condition of street dog was very poor. I provided him food and water and he became well. I would like to request everybody here not to beat and throw stone on street dog because they may become aggressive and harm us. Thank you.
आदरणीय प्रधान अध्यापकज्यू, उपप्रधान अध्यापकज्यू, गुरुवर्ग तथा मेरा प्यारा साथीहरू, म कक्षा 9 को छात्र बिएन बलामी यस वक्तृत्व कलामा हाम्रो विद्यालयबाट वनभोज गएको बारेमा प्रस्तुत गर्दछु। हाम्रो विद्यालयबाट मङ्सिर 22 गते गोदावरी वनभोज गएका थिए। त्यो दिन म सबेरै उठेर साथीहरू कहाँ पुगेँ। त्यसपछि सबै विद्यार्थी विद्यालयमा उपस्थित भए। त्यसपछि हामी 7 बजे हामी गाडी चढेर आफ्नो पिकनिक स्पटमा तिर लागे। हाम्रो विद्यालयको वनभोज चाहिँ पञ्चदेवल पिकनिक स्पटमा थियो। हामी त्यहाँ पुगेपछि केही समय हामी घुम्दै बसे। अनि त्यसपछि हामीले बिहानको खाजा खायो र कुनै समयपछि हामीले नाचगान गरे। त्यसपछि हामी गोदावरीको वनस्पति बगैँचातिर लागे। बगैँचामा विभिन्न किसिमका वनस्पति हेर्न पाए। त्यहाँको दृश्य मलाई मेरो गाउँ झैँ लागिरहेको थियो। अनि हामी त्यो बगैँचामा हाम्रो साथीहरूको जन्मदिन पनि मनाए। हामीले यादगार समयका लागि हामीले फोटो खिचे। करिब 3 घन्टा घुमिसकेपछि हामी आफ्नो पिकनिक स्थलमा फर्के र हामीले त्यहाँ रमाइलो गरे। त्यसपछि हामीलाई खानाको व्यवस्था थियो र हामीले खाएर रमाए। त्यसपछि विद्यालयबाट विभिन्न खेलको व्यवस्था थियो र हामी निकै रमाए। अन्तिममा हामी गाडी चढेर आयो। धन्यवाद। हजुरको दिनुहोस्।
Hands side, hands up, hands side, hands down. Stand at ease, attention. Stand at ease, attention. Stand like stand at ease. So I like to request all the class teachers to check their smartness of the students.